student. Last we completed exercise 8.2. Now here we solve some question of miscellaneous exercise 8.2 or 8. First question given, find A, B and N in expansion of A plus B raised to N. In expansion of A plus B raised to N. If first three terms, that is a T1 is equal to 7 to 9, T2 is equal to 7 to 90, and T3 is equal to 30375. Find A, B and N. Here T1 is equal to T0 plus 1 is equal to NC0, A raised to N is equal to already given 729. So this implies NC0 is equal to 1. So A raised to N is equal to 729. Clear? Take result number 1. Now T2 is equal to, we know that T1 plus 1 is equal to NC1, A raised to N minus 1, B raised to 1 is equal to given 7290. This implies here NC1 is equal to N, A raised to N minus 1, B raised to 1 is equal to 7290. Take a result number 2. And third term, T2 plus 1 is equal to NC2, A raised to N minus 2, B raised to 2 is equal to 30375. So this implies NC2 is equal to N minus 1 upon 2 factorial, that is a 2, into A raised to N minus 2, B raised to 2 is equal to 30375. Take result number 3rd. Now solving equation first, N is equal to 729. Second, N into A raised to N minus 1B is equal to 7290. And the third, N into N minus 1 upon 2, A raised to N minus 2, B raised to 2 is equal to 30375. Solving these three, we get value of A, B and N. Now think how to get A, B and N. Here, if we take product of these two, then we get A raised to N minus 1 so first here, yes, multiply first and the third, we get A raised to 2N minus 2, B raised to 2. And sharing this second equation, we get A raised to 2N minus 2, B raised to 2. So multiply by taking 1 into 3, multiplying first and the third. So we get N minus 1 by 2, A raised to N minus 2, B raised to 2 is equal to 30375 into these numbers 7 to 9. Here A raised to N minus 2 into A raised to N becomes A raised to 2N minus 2. Clear? Now take this result number 4. Now divide result 4 by second. Taking 4 by second. Here N into N minus 1 upon 2, A raised to 2N minus 2 big square upon equation 2 with a square. squaring. Clear? So squaring this equation, so we get n square. Here a raised to 2n minus 2, a raised to 2n minus 2, b raised to 2 is equal to, this numbers is equal to 30375 upon square of this 7. Here also given a 7 to 9. Okay, 4, equation 4, by 2 square, that is n square, a raised to 2n minus 2 big square, and divided by 7290, 2 times 7290, because the square given. So 1 n cancel. Here a raised to 2n minus 2, b raised to 2 cancel. So n minus 1 upon 2n is equal to, becomes 7 to 9 divided by this. So we get here 30375 upon 7290 and into 10. Okay, so is equal to, now simplify this. After simplification using calculator, we find n minus 1 upon 2n is equal to 5 upon 12. Clear? Using calculator find this number. Here 2 from both side cancel, we get n upon n minus 1 upon n is equal to 5 upon 6. Now take a cross product, so we get 6n minus 6 is equal to 5n. Therefore 5n take this side, so n is equal to 6. Clear? Now n is equal to 6, put in a first, by first a raised to 6 is equal to 7 to 9. So a raised to 6 is equal to 7 to 9 is a 3 raised to 6. So value of a is equal to 3. Clear? You know this. Okay. Now using value of a and in this equation we get value of b. So here a now by second, here n is equal to 6, a is equal to 3, n is equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5, b we want to get is equal to 7 to 90. This implies here 6 into 3 raised to 5, take this side, so value of b is equal to, using calculator find these numbers, so is equal to, becomes, here b is 5. Okay, after simplification we get b is equal to 5. Now next question, question number 2. Find a if coefficient of x square and x raised to 3 in expansion of 3 plus ax raised to 9 are equal. Remember this here, find a if coefficient of x and x raised to 3 in this expansion are equal. Here the r plus 1 terms is equal to 9cr, 3 raised to 9 minus r, ax raised to r. So coefficient of x raised to r here becomes 9cr, 3 raised to 9 minus r, a raised to r into x raised to r. Okay, so according to this formula, according to this, coefficient of x square is equal to, here take r is equal to 2. So 9c2, 3 raised to 9 minus 2, that is 7. A raised to r is equal to take a 2. Okay, is equal to 9 into 8 upon 2 into 1 into 3 raised to 7 into a raised to 2, and coefficient of x raised to 3 is equal to same 9c, r is equal to 3, 3 raised to 9 minus 3, that is 6, a raised to 3. Okay, so is equal to simplify this 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 into 2 into 1, 3 raised to 6, a raised to 3. Now take this result number 1, 2. If both are equal, so 9 into 8 upon 2, 3 raised to 7, a raised to 2 is equal to 9, 8, 7 upon 3, 2, 1, 3 raised to 6, a raised to 3. Now dividing by a raised to 2 to both sides, we get a raised to 3. Divide 3 raised to 6, take this side, so we get a 3 raised to 1. 9 cancel, 8 cancel, here 2 also cancel. Okay, here 3 raised to 6 upon 3. Now simplify this, so this implies here a take this side, so a raised to 3 upon x square is equal to a raised to 1 is equal to, now remaining terms here 7 into 3 raised to 6 upon 3, take this side, so we get 3 raised to 7, okay, into 3 upon here 3, take this side, 7 into 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 6 is equal to become 3 into 3 upon a 7. Therefore value of a, or this implies a is equal to 339 upon a 7. Answer. Clear? Now question number 3rd. Find coefficient of x raised to 5 in a product of 1 plus 2x raised to 6, 1 minus x raised to 7 using binomial theorem. Here we want to get coefficient of x raised to 5 in a product of this 1 plus 2x raised to 6, 1 minus x raised to 7. Here 1 plus 2x raised to 6 into 1 minus x raised to 7 is equal to, apply binomial theorem, 6 is 0 plus 6c1 2x plus 6c2 2x raised to 2 plus 6c3 2x raised to 3 plus 6c4 2x raised to 4 plus 6c5 2x raised to 5 plus up to plus 6c, last write this 6c 6 2x raised to 6, clear, into 1 minus x raised to 7, 7c0 minus 7c1x plus 7c2x square minus 7c2x raised to 3, so 7c3x raised to 3 plus 7c4 x raised to 4 minus 7c5 x raised to 5 plus 7c6 x raised to 6 minus 7c7 x raised to 7. Clear? Now using Pascal triangle, if a coefficient index is a 0, then a coefficient is 1. 1, then a coefficient 1 1. 2, then 1 2 1. 3, then 1 3 3 1. 4 then 1 4 6 4 1. 5 then 1 5 10 10 5 1. 6 then 1 6 15 20 and 15 6 1 and 7 then 1 7 21. Here becomes 35, here becomes 35 and here 21 7 and 1. Clear? Now replace by this or simple using a formula NCR is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Also we get these terms. Clear? So is equal to, now put all value 6 g 0. So this become coefficient 1 6 15 20 15 6 and 1. So 6 is 0 equal to 1, 6 is 1 equal to 6 into 2x, 6 is 2 is equal to, write this coefficient 15 into 2x raised to 3 2. Here 6 is 3 is equal to 20 into 2x raised to 3. Here 6 is 4 is equal to 20, then 15 2x raised to 4. Yes, plus 6 into 2x raised to 5 and 1 into 2x raised to 6. Clear? Into 7c0 is equal to 1 minus 7c1 equal to 7 into x. 7c2 is equal to 21 into x square. 7c3 is equal to 35 x raised to 3 minus plus 35 x raised to 4. Okay, 7c5 is equal to 21 x raised to 5. Here this becomes 7c5 is a minus. 7c6 is equal to, here 7 x raised to 6 minus 7c1 is equal to 1 x raised to 7. Clear? Now find coefficient of x raised to 5. Therefore coefficient of x raised to 5 is equal to, here 1 into minus 21 x raised to 5. Take this, and the coefficient of this is equal to becomes minus 21 into 1. So minus 21. Then 35 into these numbers. So 35 plus 35 into 6 to 12. Okay. Then this number minus 35 into 15 to 30 into 30. Clear this? Now 21 plus 21 into product of these two. Here 2 square is a 4. 4 into 15 becomes 60 here. Okay. Here 2 raised to 3 is 80. 8 into 20 becomes here 21 into 20 into 8. 20 into 8, that is 160. Clear? And 7 into 2 raised to 4. So is equal to become 7 into 2 square is 4 into 2 8 into 2 16. So 15 into 16. Okay. And last is x raised to 7 minus 1. Here alternate minus plus and this become minus. The 7 into this minus, here 7 into x raised to 5, only x raised to 5, not the last term. X 21 not write this here 1 into x raised to pi terms, or 21 x raised to pi into 1. Okay, then here 21 into 1, then 35 into 12, then 2 is 4 into 15, that is 16 into 35, then 8 into 20, that is 116 into 116 into this big, here we want to get this 21, okay, plus 2 raised to 4 into 15 into x raised to 1 into 7, that is a 7. Clear? 2 square is a 16, 2 raised to 4 is a 16 into 15 into 7. Clear? Now using calculator find this number. So here, so is equal to becomes minus 21. Using calculator find this plus 420. Here becomes minus 2100 plus product of these two is equal to becomes 3360 minus product of this is equal to becomes here 21 into 6 plus last is equal to here 1680 plus 192. Okay, product of these two into 7, 192, and the last is 1 into x raised to 5. Here x raised to 5 is equal to this number. Clear? Now simplify this here, we get answer 171. Okay, now remaining question we solve in the next lecture. Okay, bye.